Hey everybody, Chris with RBM, and I am here to tell you today, if you are a local restaurant owner, when it comes to marketing, chains can be your best friend. And I know right now you're thinking, man, chains are probably the biggest problem that I have for my local business because they do so much more than me. But I'm gonna show you right now how to latch on to their marketing and run a small ad or campaign, if you wanted to go a little bit further, using the marketing that one of your local chains does. So with that, go ahead, follow me to the computer, and we're going to get right into it.
All right, so in this example, you'll see we are in the Creative Audiences screen, and we're going to go in here and create a saved audience. Now, in this example, we're going to pretend that we have a higher-end burger joint in Houston, Texas. So you can see the name of my restaurant here. I'm going to go ahead and switch this to people living in the city of Houston. And of course, you could pick any other demographics that you want, but in this case, I want to get to detailed targeting. Now, what's happening here is the first thing I like to do is I like to think of chains that people who would like my food might like or follow on Facebook because they have a big enough following that I can use them. So in this burger joints case, you can see Five Guys Burgers, although I've heard they're going out of business, and then also Shake Shack. And I just want to hold up here a minute and explain what I'm actually doing. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm taking brands that I think are very similar to my own, and I'm cutting down my audience by saying, if you like this brand, you most likely will like mine, and I think I serve a little better food or I provide a little better service than the brands listed. And we can do the same thing too to exclude restaurants that we think our customers won't like. So if you're a place that serves high-end burgers, your clientele probably does not go to McDonald's a lot. And thus we can reduce this number and create a better targeted audience that way as well. You can see we've taken the entire city of Houston and reduced it to under 50,000 people that we think will like this restaurant.
All right, so that was it, and hopefully that was pretty easy, and you can see how you can start executing on this strategy today if you want to. If you found this helpful, go ahead, give it a like, give it a subscribe, and join me in the next time where we're talking about more marketing strategies for restaurants.